Chennai is the latest ship of the Indian Navy. Okay? On behalf of the Indian Navy, I welcome you all the young players. Whenever you are climbing up the stage, please hold the ladder properly.